Welcome to another Grabbing Gears video. This is Betty, my 2015 F250. A few things have been done to it since y'all last saw it, and we're going to go over that in this video. So as you can see, we put a ranch hand bumper on the front. This is their full brush guard bumper replacement. Got a receiver hitch on the front of it. And to replace my factory fog lights, we put LED fog lights. They're, I believe they're Rough Country's pods. They're pretty nice, they're bright, and in fact they were my only source of light driving at night because the aftermarket headlights that I put in were blocked by the front of the ranch hands right on here. So I had to put the OEM headlights back in, so that's another story for another time. We also put an aftermarket grill in. This is the Raptor style grill with 3 LED lights running across the top of it. There's also a winch that normally goes on the front of the truck. We've got it off right now because it adds an extra 2 foot to the truck. The winch sits on a receiver mount. I'm going to go right in here with a locking pin. Last time y'all have seen the truck, we've also done a couple of things to the mirrors. The caps are now paint matched, and we have smoked LED lights. And if you'll come on this side, we put a fun sticker on the mirrors. Since y'all have last seen it, we've gotten new wheels on the truck. They're black Rhino hard alloys, and if anything has ever sounded like a male enhancement build, that is it. They're wrapped in 35 by 12.5 Legion tires. Diesel Power Gear are the guys that make this. If you'll look, it's got fun skulls and lightning bolts all over it. The wheels we got after a month-long ordeal with a company that sells discounted tires. We'll say it like that. And now we have new wheels wrapped in these Legion tires. We've also added this DNA Racing tonneau cover. It's a tri-fold hard cover, and it keeps everything that I keep in the bed of my truck safe. It's going to be very difficult for someone to try to pry this up. We also added new stickers. We got our Major League Infidel sticker, of course the Grabbing Gears sticker, and our Back the Blue Punisher skull on that side. If y'all will notice, I took the fender flares off the truck. I went to go get it all buffed for my birthday present to myself, and had to take them off them to be able to get a lot of the scratches. Unfortunately, the fender flares did leave a mark in the shape of the outer edge of the fender flare on pretty much every wheel well. Moving on further back, we have these gorgeous Recon tail lights, LEDs. They've got LED marker lights here, LED running lights and stop lights, and LED reverse lights in them. The reverse light housing is still a reflective housing, but it still works really well with the LEDs. Moving on, we also put in winch wiring so that I can stick my winch on the back of the truck too if my only winching point is on the back of the truck. We also put on a 5-inch straight pipe to a 7-inch tip. There's nothing blocking this from the downpipe back. We also had to put a tuner on to get rid of the DPF system. That tuner helps the truck make over 204 horsepower at the crank. get the DPF system off the truck, we had to tune the truck, and to do that I use an Easy Link system. It's tucked way up under the dash right now and I can't find it, but it's there, and it makes it so that I can access all of this from my phone and do all the tuning from my phone. If you'll look, we also put a 2.5-inch spacer here. It's a leveling kit, and it helps the truck sit better and help them clear these 35-inch tires a lot better. Like and a comment and let me know what you think. If you didn't like it, do the same. Let me know what's going on, what you don't like, and we'll see y'all next time.
And if you don't like it, you can go to hell.